So Stippus, I hope that helps. I know I gave you a little bit of a long answer there, but no, I don't think it's going to be more gate kept. It's just, you know, it's really just on you on how you want to go about it, how much time you're willing to put into it. You know, like I say, I mean, to me saying you're going to be a data scientist is like saying I'm going to go become a doctor, I'm going to go become a lawyer. Like you wouldn't say that like flippantly, right? Like nobody becomes a lawyer by mistake. Like there's no lawyer out there that says, yeah, you know, I kind of just read this tutorial online and next thing you know, I'm like a lawyer. Like nobody says that, right? Like they put in the time, they go to school, they pass a test, they have to study, they have to apply themselves, right? Data science is no different. It's unfortunate that people think, oh well, all I gotta watch is a couple tutorials online on YouTube and I'll go hack the interview. That's not how you become a professional, right? So Stippus, I hope that helps. So I'll get off my soapbox now. Okay, so Alan says, yeah, no degree, associates. I asked mainly because I'm a year from finishing my comp sci degree and I'm just burnt out on it. Oh. So what are you saying, Alan? That you're thinking about dropping out? Oh, I hope that's not what you mean, my friend. Like, are you thinking of stopping your comp sci degree? Let me know, Alan. Don't do that. I mean, especially if you're only a year. If you're only a year away, you got to keep going, man. Don't drop out now. I mean, because what if you hate data science? What if you get burned out on data science? What then? Right? So you gotta, you know, give me more information, Alan, but don't drop out, my friend. That's the worst of all possible choices, right? Stippus says, yes, thank you. Okay, cool. I hope it helped you in some way. You know, you guys got to tell me. I love the feedback because I know that sometimes when you guys ask me questions, like it sparks other thoughts. And I know that I fully understand that my answers tend to run a little bit long. But, you know, again, this is me just sharing like the real world side of it. So many tutorials and other stuff out there just isn't speaking from a real world perspective. And that's what I'm trying to bring to all of you. So that's why I give, you know, some involved answers, okay? Deadlord, following up, says, oh, so it's quite common to do data engineer stuff being a data scientist and the same other way around.